Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to take a look in this Maisto Special Edition model. It's the Ford Ranger of the year 2019 in 1 to 24 scale. Basically it's 1 to 27 scale. And it's in a very nice blue color. So we are going to unboxing and review it. It is a very nice model car. I also bought the Mustang version so I can make like a set. Unfortunately the Mustang has different blue color than the Ford Ranger. This is a bit purple. If you watch my review about this model car, you know what I'm talking about. And also another thing that I've noticed is that this one, you can see that you can see here, one moment so it can focus. You can see that it says 1 to 24 scale, and this says 1 to 27th. So when I put this side by side, the Mustang looks significantly bigger than the truck, so that's a bust. But anyway, that's all about the plan, and let's continue to our unboxing and review of this truck. It is my favorite truck in a very nice blue color. Actually, my real life car has the same blue color. I like this color very much. As you can see, this is the price that I paid for those models, for each one, because sometimes, you know, people send me messages and they say,
"Oh, I don't believe that you bought this in that price."
but I have to say that prices in my country are not cheap, so here is the proof. Here you can see the recommendations. It's the same recommendations that most boxes like this have. Standard special edition Maisto box. And now we are going to do the unboxing. We'll open it from here. We'll take it out, and we will unscrew the model from the base. And now I see that we have only seal for the doors here, so I'm gonna remove this. That means basically that hood doesn't open. Makes sense. You can see that the hood is very tiny in comparison with this model. You can see the difference in the size. You can see that they almost have the same length, and the Mustang looks way bigger than the truck. And also you can see the difference in the hood. It's like twice the size in the Mustang car. But yeah, it is a nice truck with good details. You can see that they've made the Ranger here in the back door very nicely engraved, and very nice Ford logo. Looks like three-dimensional. Nice details. So I see a lot of details. Probably this whole section here is plastic, otherwise they wouldn't be able to do such nice work with the engraving. in that cost. Very nice bedding at the back, you see, it looks very nice and realistic, and it has a lot of depth. That's cool. Nice bumper. Underneath there's not much. Nice touch with the spare here, spare wheel. Nice wheels. I love the design of the rims. Also the tire has a lot of texture, as you can see. It feels nice. You can see the I hope you can see the fenders inside with the plastic covers. Nice touch. It has the side steps here, and of course the rear doors doesn't open, hood doesn't open, wheels doesn't steer, no suspension system, which I would like to see, no steering wheels, no nothing. I don't know if they make it in bigger scale with all these things working. I hope they do, because it's a very nice track. I will do my research to find out. As you can see, of course, no disc brakes, but with this wheel they wouldn't be very visible anyway, so it doesn't matter. But it would be nice in that scale if they had at least a suspension system. I don't know if I can do some modification to add the suspension system. Nice details on the side with the grille and the mirror. Nice detail. Nice materials used. And for the front also you see that details exist on the headlights and in the front grille. Now you can see a bit better. Nice touch with the fog lights and the silver protective here on the bumper. And unlike the Mustang, this one has a nicely applied paint job. Very nice and shiny. And as you can see, I think that we have no, we do not have a lining on the roof, underneath the roof, but it looks like there is a lining on the hood, on the roof, but it's not. Anyway, you can see that the door open like this. Not too much, but it's almost okay. Here is the inside of the door, the steering wheel with the cluster. You can see that you have the center console with the arm in the center, and the back seats. Pretty nice. In the center console there are not a lot of painted stuff, but there is definitely a room to make some details there if you modify it. And we have also the antenna on the roof, also good. So overall it is a good looking model car with a very nice bed, nice paint job, good stickers. I like the details at the back very much. It's very realistic. Very good looking. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.